Hello again, and welcome back. My name is Marin, and today we are going to talk about market research. Have you considered how research affects you professionally and personally on a day-to-day basis? No matter your major, market research can be applied to any field. From engineering, biology, education to arts, professionals need to understand basic principles about how to design and execute a research project. You are also engaged with research when you Google information to make informed decisions for personal matters. You hope to find high-quality information in an efficient and easy manner. So in these lectures, we will describe the importance of defining the research problem as the first stage in the market research process, describe the three main research designs: exploratory, descriptive, and causal, and its applications, and explain why it is important to talk about quality of data collected when talking about market research and how to assess this quality.